Hi guys and welcome back to a new video from MZ Mechanic. In this episode we are going to react of videos of dangerous and biggest heavy transport operating and oversized trucks, fastest truck and machinery fails. Have fun watching this video and please let me know in the comments what you liked about this clip. And if you like this kind of content, please leave a like, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. So here we have an old truck that has no grip at all. It's probably been raining here. I think this is somewhere in South America. The truck is well loaded. As you can see, several people are already coming to help. Even then it takes a lot of effort. I will get tired of this anyway if I get stuck every time, but I guess these people don't know any better. This truck is quite a bit older than the previous one. Here the river probably overflowed its banks and flooded the road. As you can see, they took precautions. All those cars are attached to each other with chains. They probably do this to help each other if they get stuck or being taken by the current. There are a lot of spectators on the other side. This seems to be quite a spectacle every time they have to cross the river. Another flooded road. Probably an important road for the inhabitants, because there are plenty more waiting. If you have to go first, then there's a pressure on you, of course, because the rest are awaiting. Of course, you don't know if the river is too deep and if the current is too strong, and again a lot of spectators. But as you can see, if one goes, then the rest also dares, but it's always exciting such moments. This is what I mean by a strong current. This river is many times more raging than the previous one we saw. It is so stupid and irresponsible to try to cross here. Of course you can predict in advance what will happen. The car is way too light, and as you can already see, it has little grip left and is already overpowered by the current. Are they going to try to tow the car with another jeep? Soon they will be both gone and you will have nothing. So stupid to walk there. If the jeep in the front is taking, they will go with it and they won't survive it.
والله النهديه براعي الشاف. لا اله الا الله.
There went his car. It's written off if he ever finds it again. What a mess here. The roads are so bad in these countries. Isn't there anything they can do to improve this? At least there are a few trucks that need to get to the other side by the looks of it. But they'll never make it through this mud hole. At least without help. Lots of mud rain and pits. The help they get is from a John Deere tractor. This is a real serious tractor that won't have much trouble with the road. So nice to see how much power such a tractor has, because a truck like that weighs about 30 tons with load. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you don't forget to like, and if you subscribe to my channel, we will definitely appreciate it. See you next time.